Welcome to DataChannel. This video will demonstrate how to move your data from NetSuite to Google BigQuery Warehouse. From the ETL tab, go to All Connector section. Then search and select NetSuite data source. Select your added Google BigQuery Warehouse as the data destination. Click on Add icon for credentials authorization. Provide name, client ID, client secret and account ID. Use OAuth for authentication. Click on Add Data Pipeline to start adding pipelines to your account. Select the added credentials and click on Next. Select the desired pipeline and click on Next. Enter the report parameters as needed. Select the desired objects for which you wish to retrieve data. Select the insert mode. Upsert will insert only new records or records with changes. Append will insert all fetched data at the end. Replace will drop the existing table and recreate a fresh one. Select the fetch mode. Full will fetch the entire object and incremental will only fetch the new records after the latest update. Click on Next. Schedule or manually run the pipeline. You may also use the advanced scheduling options for more fine-grained control. Provide a name and description to the pipeline. Choose the desired notification settings. Mark the Run After Save checkbox and backfill option if required. Once finished, click on Submit. Once your pipeline is configured successfully, you will be redirected to this screen where you can view your pipeline run status. Please note that no logs are available when the pipeline is still running. Click on View Logs to access the logs of the pipeline run.